Passionate about music.
766 text, tweet us at Kato Radio.
Well, look, I can spell Gaga. That's how Gaga sounds. G-A-G-A.
Right.
I can spell back.
Okay, this is fascinating. Move away from the glockenspiel.
I know this got banned. I got banned from playing this. It got banned.
That's been disappeared for 2 years now.
None of your business.
It's in her car.
Nil.
The dressing up box again, isn't she?
No, I tell you where it's been. To quote Rihanna, she's been looking after.
Oh, Debbie!
A little treat for the video. Now we've got to talk. Brie and I love Gossip Girl, don't we?
XOXO.
Go Gossip Girl, turn around, girl, turn around.
Yeah.
XOXO. I love it. And there is a fantastic new character who's in it called Elizabeth Hurley. I've got her there now on a little video of Trace Crawford ravishing Liz Hurley. Have a look at that, Neil. Have a look at that. And they have kind of got this very physical relationship. She's the boss. She's come in to, like, run the magazine.
Yes.
And she's, like, no balls.
It's not like a reverse version of The Secretary, is it?
Yeah, it is like that. And she's really...
Oh.
And she just says, she's like, Trace Crawford, into my office now. I need you for something urgent.
Right, and he comes running,
yeah.
does he?
It's like, I've got a job for you, Nate.
I've got it. And you know what he does? He's very good to her.
Oh, no.
Another treat for the video. Another very treat to her, to quote Rihanna. So, we've got a little bit of audio here.
Is there any reaction how he reacts?
Yeah, there is. There is quite a lot of reaction how he reacts to her.
Right.
So let's play the clip.
Congratulations! Looks like you won Blair's contest.
Wait, what is she talking about?
Oh, didn't you know? This was all a game. Charlie only kissed you so she could be one of Blair's bridesmaids. For the Spectator, of course. Oh, guess she left that part out. Nate, I'm sorry. Oh, don't fret, Charlie. I'm sure Nate wasn't completely honest with you either. Were you, honey?
She's like Joan Collins. She is the Joan Collins of Gossip Girl. And it's brilliant. If you're not watching Gossip Girl, Brie and I love it. You've got to watch it.
You must watch
And
it.
Trace Crawford, let me just, that Brie's speaking, you must watch it.
You must watch
You
it.
must watch
You must
it.
watch it.
Neil, what must you do?
You must watch
it.
XOXO Gossip Girl.
Correct.
Passionate about music.